Hello all, and welcome to Tech Corner. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to walk you through how to back up your photos on your iOS device using OneDrive. So the reason why you might want to do this is if you have a computer, a desktop computer or laptop, that is an actual PC and not a Mac. So in order to do this, you need to understand a few things. First of all, if you have the free version of OneDrive, you basically will get 5 gigs free. So that means you'll need to, on a periodic basis, go in and move your photos that are backed up from your phone into like your pictures folder or something like that, off the OneDrive. Now, if you're using Microsoft 365, the cool thing with that is you get, the whole Office suite, but you also get a terabyte of storage, of cloud storage in OneDrive. So if you take a lot of photos and you have this is a great way to back up your photos and being able to see those easily on your computer once you have them backed up. So let me show you how to go do this. The first thing is you're going to want to go to your App Store and validate you have OneDrive installed. So you can just go to the little search, type in OneDrive, and you'll either see a thing that says the little download, you'll see either a get, or if you already have it installed, you'll see open. So since we already have it installed, we're going to go ahead and click open. And then from here, you'll see an option, you'll see at the top where it says photos and files. And if you don't get the prompt that says go ahead and back up your photos, what you're going to want to do is click on your little name here. And what we're going to want to do is go to settings. And from here, if we scroll, we'll see a thing that in the second section where it says camera backup. So go ahead and click on that. And we're going to go ahead and select our prompt here. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to give it allow full access, because this will mean you can basically grab all the photos in your library. And then if you have unlimited data, what I would recommend you doing is hitting upload using cellular data. If you do have a limited plan, I would make sure you turn that off and only enable it when you're on Wi-Fi, because that way you don't use up your data while uploading. But once you have this pretty much done, you can hit upload using cellular data. You can select videos, organize new uploads. You can do it by month, year, or none. I would recommend doing it by month. Usually they'll create a year and then it'll create a folder for each month, which is kind of nice. And upload from iCloud. You can also, if you want, upload from iCloud, but pretty much I would just, unless you have photos in your iCloud and you want a secondary backup, you can do that, but otherwise you can just turn that off. And then re-upload from original format, and then this will re-upload still photos as live photos if you want to do the live photos. Usually I don't do that because it just creates like a duplicate, so you'll get the photo and then you'll get another photo that's like a 3-second video. So to me, I usually don't do the live photos because then you just kind of almost get a duplicate. But that is basically how you go about setting up OneDrive to upload all your photos on your iOS device. If you like this video, feel free to throw it the thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.